The pancreas is a multifunctional little organ that looks like a gross pink fatty ball of meat socked away in the recesses of the retroperitoneum. Today, we're going to specifically take a look at the cells responsible for endocrine regulation. The pancreas is divided functionally and anatomically into the exocrine portion that lines the pancreatic ductal system and secretes digestive enzymes, and the endocrine portion. And this being endocrinology, this is the portion we're going to focus on today. The endocrine pancreas is composed of small islands of cells interspersed between the exocrine cells in clusters known as the islets of Langerhans, and these are richly vascularized to monitor glucose levels in the blood and respond by secreting the appropriate levels of hormones into the bloodstream. The islets are made up mostly of beta cells, with alpha cells at the periphery. And you remember what these produce? The alpha cells produce glucagon, and the beta cells produce insulin. There's also a smattering of somatostatin-producing delta cells, but the really important ones to remember are the alpha and beta cells. And literally, that is all I'm going to say about them for right now. There's a lot more to be said about each of these hormones, but I'm not going to ruin the surprise for you. For now, let's test your recall with a flash quiz. Your question is, where are the alpha cells located, and what hormone do they secrete? And the answer is, alpha cells are at the periphery of the islets of Langerhans and secrete glucagon. Bottom line is pretty simple. Endocrine cells, the alpha, beta, and delta cells, are clustered in the islets of Langerhans. Alpha cells secrete glucagon, beta cells secrete insulin, and delta cells secrete somatostatin. And that's all, folks. See you around.